everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Load Line Convention, a crucial international maritime treaty that plays a vital role in ensuring the safety of ship, crew member, and the environment. The Load Line Convention plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of ship and their crew. It is a set of international regulations that dictate the maximum amount of cargo ship can carry, taking into account factors like the ship size, stability, and the weather condition it may encounter. By its maximum load line, the convention prevents ship being overloaded, which can lead to instability and capsizing. Overload ship can higher center of gravity, making them susceptible to rolling and potentially losing their stability in raw seas. Furthermore, the Load Line Convention recognizes that weather conditions vary throughout the years. Ships are assigned different load lines depending on the season, ensuring they can safely navigate through different weather patterns. For instance, a ship sailing in the winter months will have a lower load lines that can sail ships sailing in the summer months. The convention also ensures that ships maintain adequate freeboard the distance between the waterline and the deck to guarantee stability and prevent the ship from taking excessive water. By maintaining sufficient freeboard, the Load Line Convention helps reduce the risk of flooding, which could lead to a ship sinking. Additionally, the Load Line Convention is a globally recognized standard that harmonizes regulation across different countries. This uniformity promotes the safety and consistency of the maritime industry, helping to reduce accidents and fatalities. The convention is overseen by the International Maritime Organization, fostering international cooperation and collaboration in maritime safety. The Load Line Convention is a vital safety measure in maritime industry. It safeguards ships and their crew by preventing overloading, addressing seasonal weather variation, ensuring stability, and minimizing the risk of flooding. By adhering to those regulations, the maritime industry can significantly improve safety standards to reduce the occurrence of maritime accidents. Importance of freeboard. Freeboard is the distance between a ship, waterline, and deck. It is critical for maritime safety, provide essential buoyancy and stability, resisting capsizing in the rough seas, and minimizing the risk of flooding. Furthermore, freeboard is the key factor determining safe, ensuring sufficient reserve buoyancy. In conclusion, freeboard acts as a safety buffer, providing a margin of error to prevent the ship becoming unstable or sinking. In challenging conditions, it is a fundamental element of maritime safety regulation, ensuring the safe operation of vessels and protecting life at sea.